We are asked to simplify the expression 23 cubed plus 16 cubed divided by 8 squared minus 5 squared minus 23 times 16. We notice the numerator is a sum of cubes. The formula is a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, 23 cubed plus 16 cubed becomes 23 plus 16 times 23 squared minus 23 times 16 plus 16 squared. Now, the denominator 8 squared minus 5 squared is a difference of squares. So 8 squared minus 5 squared becomes 8 minus 5 times 8 plus 5. Now, substituting both results into the original fraction, we get this expression. Since 23 plus 16 equals 39, and the denominator factors into 3 times 13, the fraction becomes 39 multiplied by the quadratic term divided by 3 times 13. Minus 23 times 16. Notice that 39 in the numerator cancels with 39 in the denominator, since 3 times 13 is also 39. Now combine the terms negative 23 times 16 minus another 23 times 16 gives negative 2 times 23 times 16. This matches the expansion of a minus b squared, which equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So the expression becomes 23 minus 16 squared. Finally, 23 minus 16 is 7, and 7 squared equals 49.